So today we will learn how to create a UI picker view using swift3. So let's start. Create a new Xcode project. Choose a single view application. Name it as UI Picker View Tutorial. Choose language as Swift. We will not use core data, so unselect it. Now the device is iPhone. Now here choose the location. It will be my hard drive. And its source code, its blog tutorial, and we will pick it UI picker view swift. You can run. Now you are done with the basic project setup. We have all the files: app delegate, view controller, main storyboard, and transfers. Open main.storyboard and just drag a UI picker view to your view controller and give it a constraint. We will add it in the bottom, so from the bottom it's 0, from the left it's 0, and from the right it's 0, means leading 0, trailing 0, and bottom is also 0. Also we will add a UILable so that we can show user a selection. So we will place it here. We will also add it a constraints, and we will add it corresponding to the view. So it's 201, add that constraints, and it's horizontal center in the container. Now open viewController.swift and create an IV outlet for picker. It's UI picker view, and for all the label also we where LVL selection, its type of UI label, and here we are done. Now we also need to create an array for our data source to be used by the picker view. First go to main storyboard and connect the IV outlets. So here are speaker, we will connect it to picker, and the LV selection is connected to label. Now come back to view controller. Here we will create an array. So the array is picker array. It's of type string. So here in view.dot we will add objects to the array. So picker array dot append new element. It's of type string. We will fill it later. We will fill it the name of the days, and since we have 7 days in a week, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Start with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now we have to tell that our picker view is going to use delegate and data source. So we are use picker dot delegate equals to self, and picker dot data source equals to self. Now since this class is going to implement the picker view delegate and data source, we have to tell this class that it is going to implement UI picker view delegate and UI PickerViewDataSource. So here, since we defines that this class is going to implement, so now if this error shows here that type view controller does not conform to protocol UI PickerViewDataSource, that means that we didn't implement the necessary or required functions for the data source and delegate. So we have to define those. So go first to data source, and we have to select number of components, that the number of components in the picker and the number of rows in the picker. So if you want 2 components, then you can pass 2 components here, but we need only single component, so we will show return 1. So it will show only 1 component in the picker. Second method, it's picker view number of rows in component, required to tell picker view that how many rows it will display inside the picker view. So here we will return the count of our array, since it's returning our integer value, so we will return picker array dot count. Now we also implement more methods like picker view title for row. This is the delegate method, and the picker view did select row. Here we are going to implement this. The first method, picker view title for row for component, is going to is used for displaying the title to be displayed in the picker view. So here we will return our array, return picker array object that index the row. Okay, now here the second method, picker view did select row, it is used to detect what row is selected by the user. So here we will specify which row is level selection dot text equals to picker array at so here we have all the target will be specified here. Okay, now let's run the app. So it's going to run here. Here we are running the app. It's compiled successfully, and we are done with the UIPickerView. So let's see what's happened. It's just initiating or initializing the simulator. So here it is. Wow, this is our picker. Now we will move it. It's Monday. It's showing Monday here. We will select Thursday, and it shows the selection on the label. Saturday. Okay, now Sunday. So that's the UIPickerView in Swift3. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, the video, and if you enjoyed it, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to all. Subscribe to our channel. Sorry for that, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.